Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Animal Crossing New Horizons Happy Home Paradise. We're on our way to see Lottie. Lottie was outside at this school. We're going to go talk to her and see if we can do some more happy homes. I'm not here to relax. Let's talk to her here. Hello. What's up? Well, I got lost in thought looking at this property. Have you noticed all the unused properties around here? Before I set up shop, someone else was working on developing the island. They built all of these. But for whatever reason, it didn't work out, and I guess they just left the properties like this. Lately, I've been thinking about how we could use these properties to use. Maybe some new facilities. If we had even more to offer our clients, I'm sure our vacation home business would boom. I just know we could breathe a lot of life into these old properties. Maybe we start with this one. I think it was originally going to be a school of some kind. Why not pick up where they left off? All I have to do is get a little paperwork in order and we can get to work. Okay. Pump the brakes, Lottie. Sorry, I just got so excited when I think about business development. We're going to need more clients to make these facilities viable, so let's keep growing out that client base. For now, I'll head back to the office. Come and see me when you're ready to get to work. I'm ready, Lottie. I am ready. That's going to be the school. All right, I'm ready. Let's do something. Let's do it. All right, come on. Lay it on, my sister. Yeah, I'm going to go back to work. Let's go. Yeah, gotta make some more happy people out there. Alright, let's see. These villagers again. He wants an arcade. Oh, another one that wants board games. Oh my goodness. They all want the same crapoli. A beauty salon. Rhythm of music. This guy wants bats. Wasn't there one more? No? Alright, let's do this music one. Vivian, what can I do for you? She's quite successful, eh? Alright, let's do it. Let's see what you got to offer. Let's see what you got. Oh, I gotta talk to those people too. A gym to dance it out. A gym. Oh, smokes. I don't want to do a gym. What kind of gym? Alright. A gym. She wants a dance floor gym? No clue. How about this place? I have no clue. Let's just give it to her. They could always move. Okay, let's go. Look at this place. It's so big. She wants a gym. Right in my face again. Got big snouts, eh? Alright. Start off with the house. Let's give her this house. Can we make it pink? Wood. I don't want wood. Is that all they got? What about a white? Alright, pink. Two-tone pink. What about this one? And a pink door. All pink? pink, 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 and then a welcome sign for the people that want to come and exercise. Okay, what is she? She gives us cool furniture. How do you want cool? Oh, look, we have that. And a climbing wall. Oh, we got the, what is this? Shower. Oh, it's a shower booth. Okay, okay, we're gonna need a shower booth. All exercise equipment. Nothing for outside. All right, there's nothing really to do for the outside then. We got no cars, no nothing. Put a tree here. You can put a tree over here. That bush is all right there, I guess. So we'll put a tree over here. Can put a bench outside. Can do this, and that's a chair. Yeah, we could put these chairs out. And then some of these. Some. One. Like somebody's having a picnic outside. One. Yeah. Where are you going? I wish we could see better, but we can't. Okay, one here. Rotate, and one here. There we go. Oh, it's not even. Bring it over. Okay, and then do you have protein drinks? Did she give me anything like that? No. Oh, she did. Okay, we could do that. Put one of these out there. And a bottle. And we could put that out there. And this. She didn't like that. Alright, well these have to go on the table. And the bottle. They don't go on the chair. Okay, here, are you guys gonna exercise? I thought maybe you wanted some towels, but I guess not. Okay, we'll take it out. What about one of these? What about these balls? Sure. You want to do some punching bag outside and some lifting? What is this again? A floor monitor. Why would we need that? I don't know. All right. Okay. I'm gonna put this stuff over here. You can punch with the tree. You can do some lifts over here. Do some lifts, and the ball could stay here. And I think we could put a path in. What do you think? A path? We'll do this path. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll take that one out. Put it back, put it back. I don't know. These paths, man, they don't want to go where you want them to go. You know what? I'm gonna just cut this tree off here. I think that's full there. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna have to put some here. Just a little. Okay, we're gonna have to leave the rest like that. We're gonna put some yoga mats down. I'm gonna put one there. And then change color, and blue one. And then change another color and do yellow. No yellow. Okay, green. Okay, and then organize that. We're gonna go, I'll do yoga outside. Yes, on the concrete floor. These have to go closer, don't they? A yoga class. And then there's got to be a little radio outside. What is this? Speaker. Yeah, I really do need to put one of these out. Okay. I don't know if I should put that out. Okay, this outside though. High-end stereo, no. I think we could just use a tabletop. Or one of these things, a cute one. Alright, a blue radio. There you go. It'll go here. So you guys can listen to music. And this will go back here. Not that far. There. Let's go inside. Alright, what do we got inside? Alright. Let's see here. What's this? Club. We don't want a club. Cork flooring? Club flooring. Oh my. She really doesn't give me nothing here, does she? Okay, she wants... This looks awful. Sorry, I'm gonna have to pick my own. What about this? Kinda like that. I don't have nothing else. Okay, I need to go back to the floors. What about just a green floor? Okay. Alright, anyway. I'm just gonna go in the front of the class. We can do these guys looking out the window. Sort of thing. Okay, we're gonna need to put in a change room and a shower for sure. Two of them. Two of them? Or one? Where's the change thing? Change thing. Okay, so one of each. One of each. It's for her anyway. Alright, we'll put that on this side. Make a little bathroom her. Right here. We still have room to walk in. We cannot do... We need a bucket or a mop. Of course, we need one of these. We need these railings. We need a wall. Okay, so now... Yes, you need that. What if somebody slips and falls? This water's gotta go somewhere here. I guess right here by the mop. There. So this thing here... It's big enough, yeah, to create a wall. So, we need to move this thing out of the way. Put the safety railing right here up against the window. Alright, this will go here. For rock climbing. Can I go right here? Oh, it can. Look at that. I do. Two of them. There we go. So there's rock climbing, and then you have this little bathroom here. And then we're going to give you a little bathtub. Oh, you need a scale, right? You gotta weigh yourself. Okay, we need one of these. And you need it. Okay, there's no toilet. I'm gonna have to get her a toilet. One of these toilets. Yeah. Maybe give them a tree, a plant, for some good measure. Alright, toilet, come in the here. Come here. Turn that toilet around here. Turn this, whoops. We can turn this around that way. Alright. So, bring this out more. There you go. Put this over here. Should put a little table in there. Okay, they need one of these to throw their stuff in. Alright, and we need a little table. Can I get a cute little table? Nope, I cannot. Can I use a stool? Yeah, we'll use a white stool. A white, simple stool. There's already garbage in the garbage. Is that okay? Can you get into your bath? Yeah, okay. This has to go like against the wall here. Because it's just garbage. Alright. Oh yeah, we didn't put that in there. We need to put this on the inside. So this will have to go back. That way, you go here, you wash your hands. Okay. You got your little towel there. And you guys want to weigh and measure yourself. It's here. In this corner. You can go weigh yourself. I don't know why she needs a big stereo. Do you know why she needs a big stereo? I do not know why. Alright. Don't know about these windows, but okay, what is this railing for? Yeah, this plant can go here. It's not, it has no other purpose or use but for decoration. Add some color to it. You got a rock climbing wall. You got your ballet thingy. Do you need a place to sit? You can sit on the chair. What about one of these? And a sofa. I think we could add that in here. Probably not. Probably not. Okay, we're gonna take this out. Alright. This has just got complicated. Okay, let's scale out. Put this thing in the corner. Alright, we need this here. Come here, table. No, we want you. I can't turn it. Okay, you gotta turn it. Turn it right here. Good. And go here. Wow, the bathroom's bigger than anything. It feels so terrible that I cannot do anything. Stop shaking your head yes all the time. Because, you know, it's annoying. It's gotta go against the wall because I have no space in this little house. This gotta go here. Why do you need this again? This big stereo? It has no purpose. Look at this. You seriously need this big thing? I can't even turn it. cannot go here. Okay, this bucket's gotta go. All right, let's give her a TV so she can watch something about something and something. Where's the TV's at? Let's give her a small TV. Because she shouldn't be watching TV. She's got to be exercising. All right, you got a TV. Can we put it on the side? And then give her maybe a water bottle. There you go. Oh, she loves the water. All right. Let's focus now on her walls. Gotta get a clock. And get her a red clock. We need to give her one of these things, but we have to go here and put one there. And then we could put this there and this there. Okay. Let's organize. Put that down here. Put this over here. Where'd that other one go? Come on. No, wrong. Come back. This can go here on this side. Yeah, somewhere here. There we go. Alright, clock. You go up here. People need to know what time it is. I always put my air conditioner on this side. Everybody loves air conditioners, and you gotta have a switch light. So put this down here so she can reach it. The air conditioner is gonna go over here because, you know, because. Alright, what can go on this wall? How about this? Formal paper. No formal paper. How about a picture? Yeah, she could, yeah. Alright, one here and one here. Okay. And then she could have this. One here and one here. Like that. And on this side, she could have a nice scenic painting because she's rich. So she could afford one of those. The bathroom, we can move this guy over here. Bathroom doesn't need nothing because it's a bathroom. You think this planter's too high? Put it right above the toilet seat. Alright, one more painting here maybe? Maybe we'll put her picture. Is that her? There we go. There she is, the founder. Founder and CEO. Alright, what about lighting? I think we could just use these. She gave us what? A disco ball, really? She gave us this too. No, I'll just use two of these. One on this side and one on this side. One in the bathroom. And one over here. And that should do it. I don't think she needs carpet because she wants to exercise, so you can't exercise with carpet. Look at her looking at me like, hello, you done? I'm done. Yes, it's ready. You can go. Have a look-see. Go ahead and take a look. Alright, come on, I want to expand because these little houses, I can't do nothing in little houses. gym to dance. She can't dance. Oh no. Oh, she likes her bike. It's hiding though. You like the rock climbing? She likes the rock climbing. She loves the rock climbing. Okay. Well, I want to see you climb that rock now. That wall. Okay. Oh, you're welcome. Let me see if I can even walk in here because I didn't even check. Let me take some photos. Okay, you gotta move out of the way because it's a tight fit. Excuse me. Excuse me. What? You got coffee? Oh my goodness. Look at this house. She loves her bathroom. Take a picture of that. Alright, let's pick a photo. Yeah, we'll just pick this one. Bings. Alright, let's tell her I gotta go. Although I gotta go. When I could get you a bigger house, I will. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your little house for now. Hello. You just keep doing work. Yeah. Yeah, don't forget my payment. I need it. I need them pokies. Oh, and Nico let me know he'd like to talk to you. Finally, Nico. Why do you have to undress me, girl? Jeez, man. I want to go back to work. So let's go see Nico. Let's go see what he wants. Oh, look, oh, I want to do her. But she's gonna ask for something dumb like plushies. No? Yes, Lottie sent me. What do you gotta talk to me about? What? Oh, you're getting me a bottle? Oh, thank you. You're so nice. Oh, you took it back. What? Oh, it's a recipe. A recipe. You've heard of it. Do you know how to read, Nico? Or look at pictures? Maybe there's a picture on it. I don't know. Ah. Tell Lottie thanks for the reminder. Okay, stop daydreaming. Let's see what recipe we got. A vine lamp. Gee, thanks. I learned a vine lamp. Okay. Run! Back in. Let's do another house. Too bad we can't expand yet. Lottie, I'm back. Yep. Yeah, I was. Time is time. Remember when we ordered that workbench? When is it supposed to arrive? Wow, Wardell, a man of many words. Yeah, that's what I'm talking to you about. I'm ready to work. Yes. You cannot say no. Thank you. Let's see what she wants. Oh, where'd she go? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Hello, hello, what do you want? See, I told you. Plush bears. What do you want again? Arcades. Let's do plush bears. Don't look at me, Annalise, or whatever your name is. Come on, Maple. Let's do your house. Do a little plush berry house. She's a little cute cub herself. Okay. Let's see what you got. A bountiful bear bungalow. Oh, plain bears? Okay. She wants a ranch. A bungalow, eh? Alright. Let's give her a little place. Let's give her a little place. How about... This is cute. Let's do it right here. That's cute. Right in the water. She can go outside if she wants. Here we go. It's cute. I don't know what I'm going to give her for a house, though. I'm going to give her a little house. A little house? I don't think I can put a bigger house on here. Let's see what I can do with this house. Can I give her a bigger house? Oh, I can. I kind of like that one. Yeah, let's give her one of these. And go back to the pink. I want to give her a white house. How about white? What's this one? Ooh. What about brick? Beige? Beige. And a white door? A door, what about with a window? Because we gotta let the sun shine in. What about this one? That looks nice. I think we should move it here though. Like on the beach. Put it on the beach. Give her a palm tree or two. We're gonna put one. We have to put it on the beach, don't we? But I kind of like it on the grass. You ever see coconut trees on the grass? Well, you do now. Okay. Alright, she wants some pink bushes and a garden rock. Okay, why is everything going in the back? I'm gonna put one half and one over here. Oh, not in front of the doorway, the walkway. And a rock. Can we just put the rock somewhere? We'll put it over here. Okay, I guess it went back there again. Okay, let's give her, what is she giving us here? Nope, go back. Alright, she's giving us a garden chair and a garden table. Okay. She wants a lot of ranch stuff, eh? And a picnic basket. Oh, look at the tent. That's so cute. And a radio. And a campfire. What? Okay. We're gonna move this on this side. I think we're gonna put the tent on the beach. What do you think? It'll look cute on the beach. There. And we'll give her a little cooking thing that she wants. On the beach. Right here. Yeah, right there. And then the picnic. Picnic is gonna go on the beach. Can I put a blanket? Whoops. Oh. Yeah, blanket. Can I get a blanket? No. I cannot get a blanket. No blankies, eh? Let's see here. What about a yoga mat? Okay, we can do these. Alright, these are nice. Oh, we can give her bears, right? There's bears? No bears? Okay. Okay, we'll give her floral. Right here, she's gonna have a little picnic. Oh, too close to the water. She's gonna have a picnic. Come here, picnic. Have a little picnic here. Have her fire going there. And then here, she's gonna have her little table and chair so she can enjoy herself. Can this go back? Yes, it can. What can we put on there? I don't know. What about one of this? One of these things? No? Coffee? Give her a little coffee. All right. I want to start her fire. Ching. There you go. You can cook. You can cook something there. So now we're gonna give her some teddy bears. All right, teddy bears. Teddy bear time. That's a big teddy bear. I should put that outside. Okay, we cannot expand her house, so we have to go with this small little thing. All right, let's see what we got here. This. Yeah, she likes that. She likes paw print wall. What is this? Tent wall. Oh, no. Tent flooring. Natural. Ooh, you want to be in the forest? Want to be in the forest? No. Okay, we'll give her this wall. And then this floor. And then we could always give her a vinyl sheet. A little blanky. We'll put it right there. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's put that there. That's a ranch wardrobe. She got 2 bears. Can this bear go on top of the wardrobe? No. Ugh, okay. All right. Let's give her the kitchen and this. And no bed. We have to give her a hammock. You want a hammock? No bed. We gotta get her a bed. Ranch bed. Do we have a ranch bed? Yes, we do. Look at that. That's so cute. Okay, we're gonna make your bedroom. And I'm gonna put a kitchen over here. No, we'll put the kitchen over here. Kitchen. With your kitchenette. So we're gonna make you a thing. Look how big this bear is. Really? Can I just throw that bear outside? Alright, we're gonna put the bedroom over here. And your wardrobe thingy. Okay, bears. Please go. Alright. What do we have for the kitchen? We don't even have a stove. No. No stove. Just a fridge. She can't even cook. Alright, no cooking for her. Oh, I got simple panels. How big are these? Simple panels. We get all the simple panels. Okay. Let's change the color of it. Brown. Brown. Dark brown. Kind of dessert. Like, you know, she gotta live here, so gotta give her something that looks nice. That looks nice. Okay, we'll do that one. How's that? Oops. Gotta go back. There we go. Does not match. Ugh. Awful. Awful, awful. Let's do that again. Brown. Try brown. Well, it adds some kind of color. Okay. Fridge. Do you want to go here? I don't have... Anyway. The simple panel's bugging me. Let's change that again. I don't have no pattern for the simple panel. Yeah, how's that? That's good. Alright, put that here. make a little bedroomy for now. Oh, they don't go together. Look at this. Why is there a gap? No, that's awful. It's all right. Give me a little kitchen table. She gave us these ranch chairs, so put 2. I don't believe I don't have, there's a ranch tea table. That's good. We will face it this way. So once you cook, you put it on, there's nowhere to cook. I don't have a stove. I still gotta put the teddy bears here, guys. Maybe I will take this one out and put it here. This, I will put it here. Add some color there. Maybe change it around. It won't let me change it around. This way? Yeah. Okay, maybe the bed can go against there. Gotta give her a little bathroom. Where's that big teddy bear? Terrible. Does she need a bathroom? I'm just saying, does she need a bathroom? I don't know. Okay, Teddy, you can't even go on her bed. You're gonna go there, and this one's gonna go here to block the way. And then you can't walk because it's a big teddy bear. What am I supposed to do with this big teddy bear? It's gonna go outside. It's way too big. All right, I need... We already have a radio outside. What is this? A camp stove, but we're not camping. Why are you giving me camping stuff? Do you want to camp? You want a cot instead? No, at least she gave me a sofa. I'll give her a white sofa. Okay, that's gonna go here. This has to go back. I know it's awful, but I can't. You know what? Give her a bookshelf. Bookshelves always work, don't they? Bookshelf. Okay, let go. Okay, come on, bookshelf. Turn. Right there. Look at that. See? Solves the problem. Right there. Okay. She still needs something in here. I'll give her that. Does she need a dresser though? Take that out. She needs a little table like this one. Nope, can't be dark. It's got to be this one. And that's got to go here. Here at her bed. And can this guy... No, go back. This guy, can that go on top of here? Why? Oh. I need to give her a little lamp. Okay, she needs another table. Is there a ranch low table? No. Gotta give her this one. White table. Can we even sit in here now? We can. It's a little cozy place. Little cozy. Got your little table. Got a kitchen with nothing, no stove. We're gonna give her... Do I even have a tea set? I got this tea set. Let's see. Give her a white one. Red. There you go. You want tea? Stay there. No, stay there. Stay there. You want this in the middle. Does she need a TV? Do you want that there? Okay, we'll put it here because she needs a TV. She needs a TV. Nobody's ever satisfied without a little TV, right? No, she didn't want the TV. Here, have a radio. Well, the TV wasn't supposed to go there. It was supposed to go here. Can we put this radio up here? Can we put it up here? Yes, good. Get it out of my way. And then she needs a lamp. And she needs some bread. Because bears like bread. I'll put this on the kitchen table. Kitchen counter. Is there another rug we can use? What about this one? Dotted rug. Wow, that's pretty big. Don't they have a smaller one? We could do another. Oh, we could do that. Let's see. Whoop. Let's see this one. A heart rug. Isn't that cute? No? Oops. Why is my TV turning? Heart rug. Nope. Heart rug is no good. Next. Next rug. They gave me this. A glowing moss rug? No. No. Okay. That one? Oh wait, there's a retro. Hold on. One more. This one. No, that's the one we had before. It's big. It's big. Alright, that's fine. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's put something. Alright, what can we give her here on her walls? Oops. We can give her one of these. One of those. Let's see. This can go here. Nope, come back. This here, I don't know. I don't know about this thing. It's for decorations, I guess. She can't really cook. Alright, the clock's gotta go on the wall. We're gonna give her this clock. No, we'll give her this clock. Ew, why is that thing like that? Alright, we're gonna give her some floral swag. And some tapestry. Is there a bear one? What about fairy tale? I like how these things just go right there, you know? Like, yeah, well, this thing is way too high. Put it down low. Because, you know, it's a little bear. Alright, in the kitchen area, she needs some photos. Keep it brown, and we'll give her, oh, pancakes. She like pancake? What is this? Some foreign language I don't know about. Birds. There's really nothing, eh? Seriously, what about chickens? Oops, go back to chickens. Alright, let's put one here and the other one here. And then a picture of herself. And Oh, no, not there. In her bedroom. Put that, because she's so cute. What can I put here? Some fishies? You like fish? She didn't say. And some wall planters. Fish. Fish, you need to go somewhere. Right there. Okay. Do we need any lighting? I didn't get no good lighting. Okay, she needs one of these. And ceiling fan? No, we're gonna give her this lamp. I'm gonna give her a light wood one. Alright, where does this thing go? Turn around. It's so modern. Gotta go this way. Oh, come with me. Is this the right way? Is that the right way? I have no clue which way is the right way. Can we go here? Will that interfere? It will. Okay, you're gonna have to go on top of the fridge and all the way to the end. And we can do 2 of them. Alright, and then we need one of these lights here. Is that good? Yeah. And then another light in here. In here. Okay, and then this lamp. Why is the lamp on the floor? This lamp can go here. And we can give her a book to read. Because bears like to read books. So we can give her a cushion to sit on the floor. Oh, we can give her a little chickadee. Even though she doesn't like chickens, she likes bears. There, she could have a book to read about bears and a stack of books. Okay, yeah, I don't know why. Don't ask me. But here, read your book. And then, what's wrong with this book? It's in the way? Alright, I'll take it out. She's the boss, you know. Can we walk around that? I got nowhere else to put it. Okay, we don't need it then. Oh, go back. Take it out. Alright. So how is that for a little house? Okay, we have to go back outside and throw the bear. Come with me. I don't know where to put this bear. It's gonna go here. Where's that bear? Right there. It's gonna go right there because I got nowhere else to put him. Right there. Okay, he doesn't want to go there. Right there. There you go. Is that okay? Let's go back inside. New clothes. You need anything else? A whole new wardrobe. Oh, we gotta polish. What can we polish? Gonna polish the bear? Yeah, you're supposed to do that and then go in there and polish, polish, polish. What do you want to polish, the bear? Let's polish the bear. Is the bear cute? Polished? What else do you want polished? You want this china polish? A little bit. And then your tea? Just a little? Okay, is that okay? And your TV? Oops. What happened to your TV? TV. Okay, forget the TV. I'm done. Yep, it's ready. I wish they would be honest and tell you I don't like it. Can you please change this? It's cute. That's a cute picture. Oh, her teddy bear's sparkling. Right. Let's end it. Let's pick a pick. I took 3, but only 2 will show me. I'll do this one. Okay, my precious girl. I'm done. All right. There you go. Ooh, promising designer. 9,000 pokey. Oh, you're gonna raise. Give me a raise. I like raises. Yes, indeed. After we're done, we're done. All right. Woo, promising designer. By the way, our selection of work clothes has been updated, so you can check out the locker when you can. Okay. Changing your work clothes can be refreshing, so pick something that suits your mood. I think that suits my mood just perfectly fine. I don't need nothing else. So, with that being said, I am done diddly-un, and tomorrow, oh, we have a newbie here right here. Tomorrow, we will do some more Happy Home Designers, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.